This trip was one I couldn't wait for because there were so many things we got to do. I was so happy because we got to go to the bay and get on a boat during the school year. It was the best feeling. Even though it was very windy and it poofed up my hair, I didn't care because I learned so much, and I am seriously thinking about pursuing that as a career. When we arrived at 7 a.m. at Port A, it was very early, but I was so excited I couldn't be tired. I was in the second group, so I went to the beach and looked at the jetties and the beautiful beach. Then, when the others got back, we got instructions on safety and how the captain reads maps about the depths and land and the colors that differentiate them on the map. Then we carefully stepped onto the boat, got to the front of the deck, and we were headed off to study the Port A Bay. We were sent to dredge the ocean, do a mud grab, and look for some plankton. We put a small net out the back of the boat and dragged it. When we brought it in, we took out the little bucket on the end of the net, and we all took samples from it and looked at it under a microscope. What we were looking at were different types of plankton. There was zooplankton and phytoplankton. I wasn't very sure if I was going to see, and I was correct. I didn't really see anything except for little small dots. But when she put hers under the little microscope that showed on the TV, I could see things a lot clearer. Then I was able to do more than I thought possible. Then we were able to do mud grab because the wind went down. When we cleared the mud and put whatever looked alive in a petri dish, it looked very weird and creepy, like things out of a movie or a horror film. The last thing we did was dredging. We put a large fishing net out with 2 doors on the end to keep it balanced and underwater. When we pulled it out, there were dolphins. The dolphins were trying to steal some of the fish we had caught. We caught so many species of aquatic life: squid, pufferfish, perch, flounder, and these little sticky clear things that don't have a specific name. I really enjoyed the experience and would highly recommend it to classmates if they like the ocean and fish.